if voice to text is not working on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now for the first method, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then just go to settings, and from here, just tap on screen time. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now if this option is enabled on your iPhone, now from here just tap on intelligence and Siri. Under the Siri section, just enable the toggle for Siri and dictation. After you enable this toggle, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to settings. In the main settings page, just tap on general. Under the general settings, just scroll down and tap on language and region. Now if you have multiple languages under the preferred language section, just select only one language. Preferably just select English. After you select your language, then just go back and under the general settings, just tap on keyboard. Now just scroll down and go to the dictation section. Now if enable dictation is disabled on your iPhone, just enable this toggle. Select enable dictation and also enable auto punctuation. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and check if this feature is working or not. Now as you can see, this feature has started working, but if this feature is still not working on your iPhone, then for the next step, just open the control center, then open the connection section in the control center. Now if Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone, just tap on it and turn it off. Because sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone might automatically connect to your Bluetooth headphones and it might be using the microphone of your headphones, and this might be why the voice to text feature is not working on your iPhone. But if this also did not work, then just go to settings. Now under settings, just tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Select talk and type to Siri. Now if the Hey Siri feature is disabled, just turn it on from here. And if it is already turned on, just turn it off, then select Hey Siri. Now just follow the instructions on the screen to set up Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Now just tap on done. And after you do that, then just go to your home screen and check if the voice to text feature is working or not. Now if it is still not working, then just check the microphones of your iPhone and check if they are blocked by any dust or debris. If the microphones on your iPhone are blocked by any dust or debris, just use a soft brush and clean the microphone area. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the voice to text feature is not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.